Hey, what's up, Dean? Super Performance. The shopping. Jonathan's Ranger is off the lift altogether. I completed all of the brackets. So I used the original condenser bracket for, I don't know if you can see it. Hold on. Yeah. So that lower bracket, the condenser sits in it, or evaporator, whatever it is. And then I put that tube there across from frame rail to frame rail over there somewhere down in there. Welded it in, then added this upper one where I said the one that I had cut yesterday, from there, that tab to there on the shroud, the lower core support I should say. And then I added in the two vertical bars. I did end up having to change to a nut and bolt. This tube's just a little too thin to have any thread, so it kind of just stripped pretty quick. Then I took and kind of shoved a bunch of like poster board up into the fender and kind of bent it up and then down behind the battery. I didn't want to just spray paint everything, but I painted the whole front clip flat black. I think it looks better than doing the line. I think it was here, you know, and this is black and that's still red. So all of that, the prop rod is back in, and I painted that. It was crusty before, so everything's back. The horn's back, the headlights are back, everything's good. I drove it for probably 25-30 minutes, and like if you were putting along, like in like stop and go kind of putting along, it would go like 202. I didn't really see it go 202. It was like 199, 200. I just assume if I did a couple more stops, probably would have gone 202, 205, which is perfectly within reason. And then as soon as you would kind of cruise 45, 50 miles an hour, I mean, it would drop to 187, 188, somewhere in that neighborhood. I did get on it a few times to try and heat it up a little bit, but it almost seemed like the faster I made the water pump go, the cooler it made the truck. So there's that. So everything's good. I did have an issue with the clutch line. It came loose, and then I kind of undid it and found it is a little burnt in there. It was kind of laying over the header, so I gotta find a way to tuck it up to the firewall somehow. Zip tie it to hold it in place where it is, because right now it's in a good spot where it's away from the header. Here there's a spot right there on top of the header. You can kind of see that little white right there. That's where it was laying, and right now it's off the header here, and going down it's off the header. So I need to figure out how to attach that to the firewall, and that might just be like pulling the inner fender out a little bit and throwing a self tapper with a P-clamp. But I'm gonna do that tomorrow, because tomorrow's my last day here. We go away for the weekend. So I want to get this done tomorrow so that I could leave it for them to come and pick it up. The GTO, I swapped it back over to its original file where the Learn feature does everything, and that seems to be what it is. Getting to that cable in the inner fender, I because I'm short, have to lay all over this car, and I don't want to do that. Car is really nice, and I kind of sense the owner's kind of picky, which I don't blame him. I mean, he has every right to be picky, but I really don't want to lay over the car, and I don't really have good mats to kind of lay on the car. But I got to pull that harness all the way out, unplug it from the ECU, pull it all the way out, undo the cord or the handheld, plug in the laptop, you know, and I got to go through doing it that way, which means the cord will be strung out of the car, probably get cut by the hood. I've lost 2 cords that way, and they're not, I don't buy the cheap Amazon cords, I buy the Holly cords. So I just in the handheld, what I did in the handheld was I downloaded his file into there. There was already one there, but I downloaded his file into it, saved it in the handheld SD card. Then when I loaded my file and made a few changes, once I got it back on the handheld, I downloaded my file to the SD card as well. So all I did was go into the handheld, swapped it over to his old file that he brought it on, and seems okay. It's not great, but if he wants it tuned, that's tuned from scratch. I'm not gonna go through somebody else's and try and find where they adjusted or didn't adjust, and convert everything to 2D tables and this and that, and it's basically a whole tune, whatever. Anyways, so I am gonna push Jonathan's truck up tomorrow once it's cooled down, because I've been running it. I had to bleed the clutch out. The fitting was loose, so I tightened it, bled it out. Now motor's obviously hot. Keep trying to get it in gear until I finally got it. So tomorrow I'm gonna come down and try and figure out how to get that to stay off the header. Other than that, though, everything's good. So, yep. That's kind of it for this one. I'm out of here. It's hot. It's not that hot, but it's warm. Appreciate you watching. Like, subscribe, hit the bell to be notified of new videos. Leave me a comment. As always, have a good day.